Hello, and welcome to Harris Puppet Shows. It's great amazing to see you all here. Today we present our play, The King and I, and about a king and a letter I. That's where we get the title from. Very good title. And now, The King and I. Oh, letter I, you're so cute with your dot, and you start words I love, such as igloo, ink, ice cream, and so on, etc., etc. And now your king wishes to dance with you. Yes, do it! That's our play, The King and I. Short, but somewhat. Join us for another episode of Harris Puppet Shows.